Hello, my name is Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena. In this video, talk about my album about Aaron and Shores. Phone number 1. I go to the office that chat. My sister sent for my mother. I am by cleaning the pools. I am work with my son to cracks and study. Phone number 3. I am responsible. I'm late to study. Phone number 4. I am washing clothes. I like it. Phone number 6. I am preparing a delicious food for my beautiful family every day. I eat it. Phone number 6. Doing my university activity. I am responsible. Phone number 7. I go shopping at the village store. Phone number 8. I am painting a house with my son, my parents, my husband. Thanks for your attention.